anti-gravity instruction, and then some nested keys. I will directly paste this into anti-gravity and it will start building. Let me open anti-gravity. Right. All right, I've just pasted the prompt directly. I forgot the video was paused, and it's generating the implementation plan for the subagents, I mean the rules. All right, so let's get back. This is how the planners are all generated after the first prompt. Then we use Gemini to produce a second prompt for the website following the exact layout of the rules. I mean the one we used for rules. And then it starts creating the website. So this part was missed because the video was paused and I didn't see continue with the implementation plan, as the planner will first create the plan according to the agent's rule, and then we, after our approval, it will start continuing. It's by default in anti-gravity too, but we need to make it sure that it needs to follow the exact design which is in our head. So we have changed the model from Cloud to Gemini 3.5 Flash. It's the newest model introduced in Anti-Gravity 2.0. We have total 35 file chains. That means that the IDE has created 35 file change artifacts. We have two artifacts right now, tasks, which shows like steps. It does everything in step, an implementation plan. And it follows the implementation plan right now. It's updating the subagents that we have created during our first initial prompt. All right, so it has created a walkthrough and 33 file have changed plus 2,300 lines of code has been written, while 290 commits are made. This is the whole implementation plan, and this is the validation. It's built in Node.js 16.2.6 Turbo Pack. Now we need to test it. So the interface is changed from the old IDE. Okay, now follow the rules and test it in web using your own browser. Well, it does sometimes like forget, like it has its own headless browser. Well, the plus point in anti-gravity is that if you mess up somewhere, it can automatically, you can just go back to your old code. So we will do that now. See, we have just came back to the old code. and all the changes it's done was reversed again. So we do not need to touch the file. Uh, okay, now following the rule tested in web, we are trying another way to open its headless browser. All right, now following the rule tested in web, uh, we are trying another way to open its headless browser. If this fails, then we will locally test it ourselves. All right, so well, it didn't work too. Going back to the old code. Now I'll just tell it to run it on local.